Pandle Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a small business owner or freelancer, keeping your finances organized can feel overwhelming, but the Pandle app promises to simplify everything. But is it really as helpful as it claims? One of the biggest pros is its ease of use. Most people get this wrong by assuming accounting apps are all complicated. Pandle offers an intuitive interface where you can track expenses, create invoices, and manage VAT without needing a degree in finance. For example, you can snap a photo of a receipt and Pandle automatically logs it in the right category, saving time on manual entry. The app also makes bank reconciliation straightforward. Linking your accounts allows Pandle to match transactions quickly, highlighting discrepancies for fast correction. This can be a game changer if you're juggling multiple clients or accounts. Another advantage is reporting. Pandle generates profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and VAT reports that are easy to understand. This helps you make informed decisions and prepare for tax season without stress. However, there are cons. Some users report that customer support can be slow, and certain advanced features like multi-currency handling or deeper integrations with third-party tools are limited. The mobile version is helpful, but the full desktop experience offers more detailed options, so relying solely on the app may feel restrictive for larger businesses. In conclusion, Pandle is ideal for freelancers, small business owners, and anyone new to bookkeeping. The surprising truth is that while it's simple and efficient, it doesn't replace professional accounting advice for complex financial situations. If you're looking to save time, stay organized, and manage your business finances with minimal hassle, Pandle is a solid choice, but be aware of its limits and consider supplementing it with professional guidance when needed.